Hey, John and Patty. Here's the analysis on your property. This is the um, assessor's office or the county information, the address, unit number. It doesn't have the bed count or bath count. It doesn't have the square footage either, so we're gonna have to measure it. It does have the year built and the owners, but that's pretty much it. Um, so we'll measure it once we get closer to listing it. Um, Here's the stats or the comparative market analysis, the CMA. This is what is pending right now. It is in escrow. There's nothing for sale. There's nothing listed for sale currently. And the address and the unit number. And I'll move this over so we can look at other data. And I'll just enlarge this a little bit more for you guys. So I'll leave this here like this for now. Um, this is what's sold. This is the sold properties that closed, and then the dates that they closed, the year built, the square footage, beds, um, and bath count. And so there's only one recorded sale this year, and it's really not a true comp. I should have taken it out, but excuse me. It's built in 2011, and I'll show you the photos. The ones that are closer, obviously, are that 1976, 1976, 1973. Those are the closest comparables. And they're 1976 would be this one here, 385. That's your highest comp for your year. And then your lowest would be this one here. That's pending. Again, we don't know what it's going to close at until it closes. So between 315 and 385, uh, the median or the average is 385 because it's pulling this high comp here, and obviously it's pulling out all these two high comps. That's why it's giving us that large 385. So this 385 is the high. And this is the low. So I think the median for your range would be probably 350, 355. Um, Days on the market is taking anywhere from, it looks like 72 days and as fast as 20 days. Let me see this one, 73, uh, 76. This one took 62 days. So, I think between 4 months, no longer than 4 months, it should probably sell. There's nothing on the market, maybe faster. We'll have to get a feel for the market. So that's what the market is doing. Let me show you the photos. Okay, so this is the one that's pending for 315. It's dated. It's older. Um, they haven't done any upgrades to it, and that's probably why it's selling for so low. As you can see, it's pretty much being sold as is. Yours definitely shows better than this, so 315 would be kind of low. This is the one next door to you guys or across the street. I'm not sure where it is, but 79. It looks nicer. They did some flooring upgrades. They didn't do much to the kitchen. The kitchen looks, let me show it to you. It looks, original. Typically, people are putting in granite counters and oak, and just upgrading the cabinets. But it looks nice. It shows nice, and it closed at 335. Maybe expect to get that because the appraiser is going to probably pull this one as a comp. Um, let's see here. Yeah, this one's Beautiful, brand new, 633. Then 380. Let's see here. I think this is the other one. No, where's it? Here, 385. This one. The other high comp, and I think this is 1976. Yep, 76. So this is a good comp. This is the highest, 385. That's similar to yours. So, excuse me, just nice, clean. Doesn't look completely upgraded, but it just shows cleaner and open. Um, when I was doing your video, that's one thing I recommended, that we leave the furniture as much as we need to, just so it's staged, and just take out a couple pieces so it doesn't look crowded. But this is the highest comparable right now. Okay, so there you are. You guys talk about it, and I recommend we list it between uh, 335 and here you go, 335, which is this one, and maybe 380 top, 385 tops. If you have time, if you want to fill the market, 385 would be a good start. If you want to sell it fairly quick, 335 or 355. So you have three numbers to choose from. Again, no one knows, because there's nothing on the market. I would go 385, and this is a supporting comp right here. Even though it was December, that's still within 6 months. So that would be a supporting comp. I'd have to measure it, make sure that we're within, these these sizes here, 14, 8, 1500, which I'm sure it is, because yours is a 3 and 2. So let me know what you guys want to do. Okay, we'll talk soon.